This video is a focus on the regional bird of paradise and cuscus. It will give you an insight into Papua New Guinea's fauna and the ways in which this fauna contribute towards Papua New Guinea's rich and diverse culture. By the end of this video, you will know the significance of the regional bird of paradise and cuscus. That will broaden your understanding of this species and the significance historically. So everyone, without further delay, let us dive into the amazing world of nature. In the Amaro rainforest of Papua New Guinea, the regional bird of paradise reigned as a living jewel, its fiery orange plumes and graceful courtship dance capturing the imagination of all who witnessed them. Known locally as Kumu, this iconic species is more than a marvel of nature. Its national symbol, celebrated in folklore, traditional attire, and proudly displayed on country's flag. Dwelling in the lowland and hill forest of the southern region, the region plays a vital ecological role as a seed disperser, while its dazzling presence continues to inspire cultural pride and conservation efforts across the nation. The male regional bird of paradise has spectacular orange to crimson flank plumes used in courtship displays with yellow crown, green throat, and black face mask. It grows up to 34 centimeters long and has elongated tail feathers. The male regional performs elaborated dances in communal display areas, hanging upside down and fluffing feathers to attract females. Adult male typically stays within the forest interior, where they establish lag sites for courtship displays. Female Regiana is much duller, brownish with lighter underparts, helping her blend into the forest while nesting, and grows up to 33 centimeters. Its overall color is maroon-brown with a grayish-blue bill, yellow iris, and grayish-brown feet. Unlike the flamboyant male, a subdued appearance is a strategic adaptation for survival, especially during the vulnerable nesting period. The female Regiana chooses mates based on displayed quality, builds and tends the nest alone, and raises the chicks without male help. It lives up to a sea level of about 1,550 meters and prefer dense forest environment with thick canopy. They occupy land forest, hill forest, lower montane forest, secondary growth, forest edges, and gardens. They have the ability to adopt and can be found in deforested areas if there are suitable casuarina trees or other vegetation. The Regiana bird of paradise is found predominantly in the southeastern and central region of the country, including the Gulf, Central, and Milne Bay province. In Papua New Guinea, the regional bird of paradise is a treasure symbol often featured in traditional attire during cultural ceremonies and celebrations. In Chimbu, also known as Simbu, located in Papua New Guinea rugged islands, the bird of paradise plays a central role in traditional attire and cultural identity. Its feathers are not just decoration, they are powerful symbols of Simbu heritage. Chimbu tribes are renowned for their towering feathered headdresses, often reaching up to a meter in length. These are crafted using vibrant plumes of birds of paradise, especially the Reggiana and Voltran parrot. The Reggiana bird is also significant to the people of Jiwaka. In Jiwaka province, nestled in the heart of Papua New Guinea Islands, the bird of paradise holds a deep cultural and symbolic significance, especially in the traditional attire worn during sing-sings. The vibrant feathers of the bird of paradise, locally known as komo, are used in elaborate headdresses called bilas. These are worn by warriors and dancers to showcase status, clan identity, and ancestral pride. That brings us to our next native animal, the spotted cuscus. Cuscus come from the kingdom Anomalia. Phylum is Chordata, class is Mammalia, order is Diprotodonata, family is Phalangolidae, genus is various and species is also various. The spotted cuscus is a unique and iconic marsupial native to Papua New Guinea, known for its slow movement, woolly fur, and large expressive eyes. Found in the dense tropical rainforest, this nocturnal tree dweller spends most of his life in the canopy, feeding on leaves, fruits, and flowers. With its distinctive orange or brown coat marked by pale spots, the spotted cuscus holds cultural significance in many PNG communities. As a gentle and elusive creature, it represents the rich biodiversity of the region and the delicate balance of life within the island's forest ecosystem. One of the unique features of a spotted cuscus is its sharp, pointy claws. Its sharp claws is primarily for climbing and gripping, not for tearing food like a predator. Despite the intimidating look, these claws are tools for precision rather than aggression. Their claws allows them to hold into fruits, leaves, flowers while they nibble. The spotted cuscus has an amazing tail ability too. The spotted cuscus is a master of the treetops thanks to its prehensile tail, a remarkable adaptation that allows it to grip branches securely, even hang from them like a furry acrobat. The underside of the tail is rough and often bare near the tip, giving it extra traction for climbing and anchoring itself while foraging or resting. The spotted cuscus is also used as traditional attire by the people of Papua New Guinea. Jiwaka, Western Highlands, and Manus province in Papua New Guinea are known to use the spotted cuscus in their traditional attire. Although neither the Reggiana bird of paradise nor the spotted cuscus is currently classified as critically endangered, both species face growing threats from habitat loss, hunting, and unsustainable use for traditional attire, making them vulnerable in parts of Papua New Guinea and underscoring the urgent need for stronger local conservation measures, sustainable cultural practices, and community-led protection of forests to secure their survival for future generations.